Well, hello there, I'm Rudy from Your Dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making carrot cake cookies. So not carrot cake cake, but carrot cake cookies. There's real carrot in it and of course cream cheese. So let's start. Start by peeling a carrot and grating it. And listen, I can never use a grater without somehow cutting myself. So of course it happened again this time. Hopefully you will have better luck. Add the grated carrot to a bowl with a little brown sugar. The sugar helps pull out the moisture and we want these carrots as dry as possible. Transfer the mixture to a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out every bit of liquid you can. Then set it aside. In a separate bowl, add the butter and the rest of the dark brown sugar. Mix it with a hand mixer until it becomes light and fluffy. Now add the carrot. A splash of vanilla extract and 1 egg yolk. Toss in your spices, a good pinch of salt and all of the flour. At this point ditch the mixer. Your hands are the best tool for the job. Knead the dough into a smooth ball. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 1 hour. I left mine in the fridge for 2 days and honestly the flavor only gets better with time. Once the dough is rested, we can roll it out. I like to cut the dough in half so it stays nice and cool while I work. If it's too firm, knead it a little to soften it up. Roll it out to about half a centimeter thick. If it cracks or breaks, just patch it back together, no stress. Press out your cookie shapes, making use of as much dough as possible. Transfer to a baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After baking, let them cool completely on a wire rack. And yes, of course I made a giant cookie with the leftover dough. I couldn't resist. For the filling, mix cream cheese with icing sugar until smooth. You can also add some vanilla if you like. I'm using a piping bag because it's easier, but a spoon works perfectly fine too. For the decorative icing, mix a bit of icing sugar with just a splash of milk and transfer to a piping bag as well. Take one cookie, pipe on some of the cream cheese filling and sandwich it with a matching cookie. Repeat until you've done them all. Finish with a few stripes of icing on top and you're done! Soft, spiced and sweet. It's totally irresistible. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.